Tired of slaving away at a job you hate while barely making ends meet? Well, I got a solution for you guys that's so simple it'll blow your mind. People are literally making $980 an hour with this method without lifting a finger. I know it sounds crazy, right? But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this method step by step, because I'll be breaking it down exactly for you. I just need you to pay close attention until the end, so you don't miss out on important money-making details. Ready? Let's dive right in. Have you ever struggled to come up with an idea for your blog or website? Maybe you spent hours brainstorming topics and researching just to come up with one post. As a content creator, coming up with fresh ideas and interesting topics can be really hard, right? But what if there was a tool that could make the process easier and save you time and energy? That's where GoCharlie comes in. GoCharlie is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you generate articles and blog posts about any online business with just a few clicks. One of the great things about GoCharlie is that it takes care of all the heavy lifting when it comes to research and writing. You don't need to be an expert in the topic. Simply provide GoCharlie with a few keywords, and it will use its huge database of information to generate a well-researched and insightful article. Personally, I find GoCharlie to be a game changer when it comes to content creation. It's so easy to use, and it saves me a ton of time. But not only does GoCharlie save you time and energy, it also produces high-quality content that's always on topic. The AI's algorithms are designed to analyze online businesses and create content that's not only informative, but also engaging for readers. And you can even customize the output to meet your needs, such as by length, style, and tone. So, GoCharlie is definitely a tool that I would recommend using, and today I'll be showing you exactly how you can use this tool effectively to make yourself some serious money online. Alright, let's break down the step-by-step process to make money using GoCharlie and the Online Business Academy affiliate program. Step 1. Sign up for GoCharlie.ai. The first step of this money-making process is super easy and straightforward. Sign up for GoCharlie.ai. First, visit the GoCharlie.ai website. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required fields. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to a powerful AI-powered content creation tool that can help you generate high-quality articles and blog posts about any online business topic. Step 2. Generate an article or a blog post using GoCharlie.ai. Next, we're going to generate an article or blog post with GoCharlie. Enter a few keywords related to the topic you want to write about, and GoCharlie.ai will do the rest. The tools use natural language generation technology to create content that is readable and engaging, so you don't need to worry about writing perfectly. And as I've said before, if you want to customize your article or blog post, GoCharlie.ai makes that easy as well. Step 3. Sign up for the OBA affiliate program. Step 3 is to sign up for the OBA, or Online Business Academy, affiliate program. The hottest affiliate program online right now, if you ask me. This can seriously help you make a ton of cash. For those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. The OBA affiliate program is one of the best opportunities out there to earn commissions by promoting the Online Business Academy. This program is designed for people who are interested in starting an online business or taking their existing business to the next level. It's packed with information and resources for people who want to get into the business world. Your goal is to simply put this incredible program in front of people and help them out while making a ton of money along the way. You don't even have to do the hard work, because when you sign up for the OBA affiliate program, you'll get access to a range of marketing materials that you can use to promote the Online Business Academy. These include banner ads, text links, and email templates, as well as tips and advice on how to promote the program effectively. Literally everything you need. But the best part about the OBA affiliate program is the commissions you can earn. Depending on the products or services that you promote, you can earn a commission of up to 50% on every sale. You don't need to be a marketing expert to make bank with the OBA affiliate program. All you need is to sign up as an affiliate, use all the tools they give you, and spread the word. Step 4. Share the done-for-you articles on Medium. Now on to Step 4. This involves sharing the done-for-you articles generated by GoCharlie on Medium.com with your affiliate link inside. This is a great way to attract people who are interested in online business and earn affiliate commissions as an Online Business Academy affiliate. So, Once you have an article generated about the Online Business Academy using GoCharlie, you will need to share it. But before you share it, I would recommend reading through the generated article to personalize it and add your own little touches. GoCharlie makes it super easy to do this. You can add or remove sections, change the tone of the writing, and even include your own personal experiences with the business. Once that's all done, you can move on to sharing the article. My favorite platform for sharing blogs and articles is medium.com. For those of you who have never heard of it before, it's a popular platform for bloggers and writers to share their content with a large audience. By sharing the done-for-you articles generated by GoCharlie on medium.com, you can use the platform's popularity to attract people who are interested in online business. But how do you add your affiliate link to the article? It's simple. When you sign up for the OBA affiliate program, you'll get a unique affiliate link. This link tracks the sales that come from your promotions, so you get credited with the commission. To add your affiliate link to the article, simply include it in the text or add it as a hyperlink. This will allow people who are interested in the Online Business Academy to click through the site and potentially make a purchase, earning you a commission in the process. It's important to remember that sharing the done-for-you articles generated by GoCharlie is just the first step. To really succeed as an affiliate marketer, you need to promote the articles to the right audience. This might involve sharing them on social media, in online communities, or on your own website or blog. But by using the articles generated by GoCharlie, you can save time and effort on content creation and focus on promoting the articles and earning commissions as an OBA affiliate. So it's definitely worth a try if you want to start making money online today. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to make money online using GoCharlie.ai and the Online Business Academy affiliate program. With just a few steps, you can generate high-quality articles about online businesses and earn commissions as an affiliate. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more money-making videos. And don't forget to share your success stories with us in the comments section below. Let's help each other make some serious cash. Remember, this method we discussed today is stupidly simple, but it makes a whopping $980 an hour. Don't miss out on this opportunity to change your financial situation for the better. Go ahead and sign up for GoCharlie.ai and the OBA affiliate program and let the money making begin. Also, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below and do check out more videos on the screen. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy earning.